So this is problem 12 from the 2015 Spring AMATYC Student Math League contest. Question states, for a non-constant function f, f of x equals k times f of 1 minus x for all real numbers x, and some constant k greater than 0, find k. So first point here is just a test-taking strategy here. Makes me wonder, to be honest, if this question was not quite what was intended here. Notice they tell us k is greater than 0. Well, if you look at our options, there's 5 choices. We know right away it can't be -2 because k has to be greater than 0. Can't be -1, can't be 0. So you really know k is either going to be 1 or 2 right away. It means you've got a 50% chance of getting this right if you just guess right now without having to think of much else here at all. And the way the scoring is done, as long as you can eliminate even one choice, it's to your benefit to guess. So you probably should either answer D or E here, even if you can't figure out what to do. Okay, that aside, this is actually not so bad to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with looking at, well, we have f of x is k times f of 1 minus x. Well, then let's do f of 1 minus x here. Actually, let's just expand this some more. So our f of x, this should be k, and then f of 1 minus x, we can use the same sort of recursive formula here. So that tells us it's k times f of 1 minus. F of anything is k times f of 1 minus that thing. That's a 1 minus x. And so what we get is it's k times k, that's k squared. F of 1 minus 1, that's 0. This is f of x. So we get f of x equals k squared f of x. Now, we could, so I'm going to solve this. I can divide by f of x. So this works for all values of x. If I divide by f of x on each side, what I get is 1 equals k squared. K is plus or minus 1 here, but because k is positive, k equals 1. So it looks like D. Now, when I did this division step here, what I need is that f of x is not 0. Let's clean up that f. F of x is not 0 for some x here. So this only works when f of x is not 0. Well, if f of x was 0 for every x, then any k would work, but we had a description that said this is a non-constant function. So f of x is not 0 for every x. That means pick an x where f of x is not 0, do the division, you get 1 equals k squared, and then we'll get k equals plus or minus 1, but we take the positive one. So answer here is D, k equals 1.